I am happy that at present I am the president of governing body of this college, and I feel that it is one of the best colleges of Assam, and I have a future plan to bring it to a greater and bigger colleges and one of the best colleges of Assam.
Bajali College is a 60 years old college. We would like to march forward and we want to make it as a college with potential for excellence. We have developed some best practices in our college, like an eco-friendly campus. We have given emphasis on information and communication technology. We have given emphasis on a green campus, and we have given also emphasis on development of skill-based courses.
We have plenty of work to do in the infrastructural line. So for that's why we have prepared for a proper master plan, and accordingly we will do the things in near future. So as per the master plan, we will have the opportunity to build up the residential area and residential complex for the teaching and non-teaching staff, the auditorium, the jogging tracks and indoor stadium, then swimming pool. We have another facilities which would be necessity for the upcoming futuristic change of our academic environment of this institution.